Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Santa Pompompurin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the fur of the hat with a bump across. And then let's draw another one on each side. And then one more, curving it up. And then close off the top with a bumpy line across. Now top on top and let's draw the hat. Let's start on the left and let's draw a long curve over and down. Now top underneath and let's draw a small bump up. And then let's close off the end with a pom-pom. Let's draw a curve in. One on top and the bottom. And one more on the right side. And that's it for the hat. Now top down and let's draw the head. On each side, let's leave a small gap and let's draw an angle down. Then on each side, let's draw a curve out and around. And then a bumpy line across on top. And another one at the bottom. Now to finish off the shape of the head, let's draw the ears. On each side, let's start under the hat and let's draw an angle out. And then let's curve it back down and into the fur. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and draw the face. Let's start in the center and let's draw the nose. Let's draw a small line across. And a V-shaped point underneath. And color the nose in black. And then underneath, let's draw a small line down and curve it out and up on each side. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop out and let's draw two small circles for the eyes. And color these both in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. On each side, let's draw a small angle down for the tops of the arms. And then another angle underneath. Now let's close it off with a curve. Now to add the fur on the sleeves, let's draw a bump down on each side. And a curve across the bottom. And then underneath, let's draw another bump for the hands. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a small line down for the sides of the body. And then let's add the fur at the bottom by drawing a large curve out and back in, leaving it open like this. And then let's draw a large bumpy line across at the top. And the same thing underneath. And lastly, for the coat here, let's draw 2 circles in the center. Now top underneath, and let's draw a curve in on each side. And a curve across for the bottom of the body. Lastly, at the bottom here, let's draw the feet. Let's draw 2 curves underneath. Then hop out and let's draw a small angle down. And then a curve out and around for each foot. And that's it for the Santa Pompompurin. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!